Hello everyone, welcome back to primetecdatasolutions, and today we'll be taking you through coordinate systems, how to convert or how to project your map from geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system. And yes, when you use geographic coordinate system, of course, you can call that GCS to project your data, your spatial data. It takes the Earth as a curved surface, so it's considering the Earth as a 3D dimensional object, a three-dimensional object. And then when you convert it to PCS, projected coordinate system, it considers the Earth as a flat surface. That's two-dimensional. So a lot of distortions are involved when you are converting from GCS to PCS. And of course, let's take a look at how this thing works in reality. This is geographic coordinate system, as we've said. It takes the Earth as a curved surface, right? Three-dimensional surface, just like you have an orange. And then by the time you probably spread the orange and then make it into a flat surface, then you have a projected coordinate system. And then a lot of distortions are incorporated in your data when you do your projection, your map projection. And in summary, GCS is more like an unprojected data, and all properties are significantly distorted. And then, of course, not recommended for maps that require some level of analysis. But then the PCS, especially the universal transverse marketer that we'll be using, it is optimized for 60 north-south zones around the globe with minimal distortion. And then you can use it for your local mapping, topo mapping, and the like. And of course, this is how the UTM looks like. So the UTM divides the entire globe into 60 zones, and then you can actually look for your country and see which zone it falls into. For example, Nigeria, that we'll be using for our practical today, it falls within zones 31, 32, and 33. Yeah, so a part of Nigeria is in zone 31, a part in zone 32, and a part in zone 33. And I most likely will perform analysis within the southwest zone of Nigeria. So if I'm doing that within this region in Nigeria, I'm going to use zone 31. And if my area of interest is within this area, then it's going to be zone 32. And if it's here, it's going to be zone 33. So you can just have a look at whichever zone your country falls into, and use that to know where you are projecting to. And let's go to our map in ArcGIS, in ArcMap. So this is our map that we'll be using for the projection. And then just come to layers. Originally, this layer is in GCS, Geographic Coordinate System. So if I want to perform some calculations, I want to calculate area and distance and whatnot, I won't be able to do it right now. But then um, come to layers, right? Right click on it and go to properties. And so from properties, you'd see geographic coordinate system and the projected coordinate system. So originally, this map is on geographic coordinate system. So if you open it and go to world, you'd see WGS 1984. This is the current projection of this particular map, right? And then right now, I want to convert it to projected coordinate system. So you come to projected coordinate systems, open it, and go to UTM, and come to WGS 1984. Come to Nigeria is in the northern hemisphere. Yes, Nigeria is in the northern hemisphere right here. So it belongs to the northern hemisphere. So from here, you have the southern hemisphere, and right here, you have the northern hemisphere. That's divided by the equator, of course. So um, I'll come back to my map, and I have the northern hemisphere selected, and then I'm going to use zone 31 in Nigeria. So this is UTM zone 31 north, based on the position of Nigeria just above the equator. And then you can click on apply. Just make sure you select something that corresponds to the area you are focusing on, and then you can click OK. From there, you'll be able to do minor and major analysis with your projected map. And so don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and see you next time.